Well, good day everyone. Well, today I don't seem to be getting to the chassis very much, but I had pulled the lights apart to get the it's a bit tinned, and part of the light fitting is these little metal bits. So today is restoring these. So basically what I'll do is I'll wire wheel off all the old paint and repaint them. So we'll get stuck into that, eh? Okay, well that's that sort of clean up a bit. Still got a bit of paint and stuff in here. So what I'm going to use, I think, is the Dremel. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see the focus on this thing. Anyway, get that into there and just take that little bit of paint out there. The paint I'm going to use is this one, which is pewter coloured. It's epoxy enamel paint, and it's inhibits rust and corrosion. So for where this is going to go in the car, I think it'll be fine. All right, we'll get on with it, eh? There we go, and I prepared earlier, and this one. There you go. There, that'll do. Look alright. Another thing done. Well, this weekend we've got a bit of a thing happening. I don't want to say too much because it might not happen. So hopefully the next video will be a bit of a side trip, but it should be interesting. We'll see. Until then, catch you later.